Hey gang, Carl White here. Hey, I'm doing a real quick impromptu video here in the library, and I wanted to share with you a really great idea. So it's no secret that video marketing is a really powerful thing to do, and it's really simple. I'm shooting this video right now on an iPhone, and I've got a little lapel microphone that's got a little wire that plugs right into the phone, little lapel microphone right here. That's it. Like, you don't have to get real fancy dancy with this. This does not cost a lot of money. It's free, right? It's an iPhone. So the issue is you have to know what to say, right? And keeping it nice, short, and simple. A very dear friend of mine, Ginger Bell, which I've known Ginger for, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years now, wrote a great book, and it's called Mortgage Video Planning. Mortgage Video Planning. And what it does in this little book, and by the way, she did not pay me to do this. I'm just doing this as a random act of coolness, just because it's the right thing to do. This is way too good for me to hold this a secret. I went and bought like 4 or 5 copies, handed out to my friends, and I thought, I'm going to shoot a quick video, send it out to you. But anyway, you open up this thing, and it's got 52 different topics, like one topic for each week for you to shoot a simple 1, 2, 3 minute video and to send out to your database. And you send it through LinkedIn, you can email it out, put it up on your Facebook, put it up on your mortgage site, but just putting up on the social media. And it's great topics. Like, I just opened up the first of the 52 was for VA loans. And if you've ever done a VA loan for somebody, let me get to the first page here. Here it is. It says, share, and again, these are like 1, 2, 3 minute videos. Share a story of a veteran that you helped out into a loan. So if you've ever done a VA loan, share the story, with their permission. Tell why the VA loan made sense. Like, most of the time it's like no down payment, why that made sense. And then share what the family was looking for, how it felt for them buying their new home, and what it felt like for you to help out a veteran. Like, that's just one of 52 topics. Some of the other ones was, how long does it take to buy a home? How does gift funds work? What documents do I need to bring to closing? Just short, little, simple videos. So here's what I got. I'm going to put a link on this page. I think it goes to Amazon, where you can buy this book. I've also got my contact information, because after you buy the book, just contact me on the contact information. We're going to use the honor system here. Said, hey, Carl, I got the book. The other thing that Ginger does is she does a weekly video mastermind group just for loan officers. And so it's myself, Ginger Bell, Scott Shang, Jason's on there. So some of the high-level, top-producing mortgage industry that's doing video, right? We have a free, doesn't cost anything, a free mastermind group that meets every Friday. So Ginger runs it. She honored me by asking me if I'd help out a little bit, because she'd heard I'd done a thing or two about doing video in the mortgage industry. And so we just get on there for like 30 minutes and just share best ideas. It's really cool. So step 1, go get the book, have 52 different topics to talk about, and then contact me and just say, hey, Carl, I got the book, and then I'll send you a link, or I'll get Ginger to. Ginger will send you the link, or one of us will send you the link so you can join us on this every Friday class. And I believe she records them, and you can go watch past ones. Really cool stuff. It's a Facebook group page. Like, this is like, I told Ginger, you need to be charging for this. But just out of a random act of coolness, she's given it to everybody. So I thought I'd share her great story and what she's doing and how this can benefit you. Nothing works like video. And we're going to talk, by the way, one of the topics we talk about is getting over video shyness, camera shyness. So if the thought of video makes you kind of like, oops, we can help you with that. Doesn't cost anything. Just buy the book. I think it was like 20 bucks, something like that. Super cheap. Great information. I'll see you on the inside.